Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And Alice is here to teach us some real vocabulary that you can use in everyday life, in Hakka, of course. 我们今天要继续从一些字去延伸一些生字出来。
对，
那你知道我最近呢，很多朋友过生日哦，很多朋友就问我一些跟生日有关的一些客家话，比如说要吹蜡烛哦。The word we're going to teach is blow because recently I've been attending a lot of birthdays. And during a birthday party, you blow balloons, you blow out the candle. So let's teach words that are associated with blow. 吹蜡烛先。
噴蠟燭。
哦，噴啊。
對啦。
就是吹。哦，blow is 噴蠟燭。That's blow out the candles, all right? 那我們造個句啊，比如說過生日要吹蠟燭，吃蛋糕。
OK。做生日。
做生日
食幾輪糕，
食幾輪糕，
噴蠟燭
啊，噴蠟燭 There it is. Okay, that means during a birthday, you blow out the candle and also eat the cake, right? All right. 那除了剛剛講的吹蠟燭之外，要準備這個 party 之前呢，要吹很多氣球。So let's say blow the balloon, all right? 吹氣球。
噴雞果耶。
雞果耶 That's balloon 氣球哦。
對。
噴雞果耶 All right?
海陸腔的話有點不太一樣。噴雞果耶
It's just as cute. This is a different dialect. 噴雞果耶。那有的是我們有時候 ICRT 會辦一些活動啊，會有那種吹氣球比賽。對對對，我們來比賽吹氣球。Let's have a balloon blowing contest.
N 來 B 噴雞果耶。
N 來 B 噴雞果耶。Finally, another word that I can think of that's associated with blow 跟吹還有另外有關係，可是跟生日沒有關係了。吹風機啊，每天出門要打理一下頭髮就吹風機。
Okay.
對 ，the hair dryer, the hair blower.
吹風機。
吹風機 Again, that's the hair dryer. 我們要用吹風機吹乾頭髮。Let's use the hair dryer to dry our hair.
用吹風機。
用吹風機。
撈頭那麼。
撈條那麼
吹走來
So let's review these vocabulary. 吹蠟燭 blowing out the candles.
噴蠟燭
噴蠟燭 And then blowing a balloon. 吹氣球
噴雞果耶
噴雞果耶 And finally, a hair dryer. 吹風機
吹風機
And there you have it. That's today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家
俺子誰張來了
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.